Nice cut. Ooh.
Okay. So we are making homemade applesauce. We already cut the apples and sliced them and peeled them, and then they just go in the crock pot, as you can see. I am gonna put the crock pot on. I'm gonna put it on warm because I'm gonna be here. So I just put the setting on warm, and then I'm gonna add some fresh cinnamon, and you just sprinkle it on top of your apples. So not a whole lot, just kind of just like covering the top. And I just cover the top, and then I take this ginger and I just sprinkle a little bit of ginger on top, and then I like to just do one good mix. So it gets in there. You can add lemon, especially squeeze lemon to your apples too. I'm not gonna do it this time because last time I didn't like how the lemon tastes. So just mix it up like this, and then I just top it off just a little bit. Some more cinnamon. And then you just literally let it get mushy.
Hit it with the top.
And that's it.
Alright, applesauce been in here for a little while. Now we just gonna turn it to sauce, baby. Mash it up. Get it nice and mixture all up in there, baby. You see the applesauce forming? It's starting to look like applesauce, ain't it? The great thing about apples and why, if you don't want to eat them in their natural form, it's good to make applesauce. One, applesauce is a lot easier to eat. Once you make it, you put it in a nice little jar here, and you can easily eat the applesauce. Two, apples provide a lot of nutrition. I would say if you were ever to start a cleanse, I would start with the apple cleanse. Apples are low in calories, high in fiber. They're gonna keep you full. Vitamin K, vitamin C, B6. Like there's so many different magnesium. There's so many different benefits to apples, and applesauce is an easy way to consume apples. Also, you can add some cinnamon and ginger here. And this is great for immune support. So if you're sick right now, get you about 12 apples, organic, you know what I'm saying? Try to get you some organic apples and get you a little crock pot or something like this, or whatever you gotta get, and make you some applesauce. Throw you some ginger in there, throw you some cinnamon in there, and you're gonna be good to go. All right, your applesauce good to go right there. Man, right there. Let me taste it. Let me get a spoon and taste it real quick. Then all you gotta do is put it in the fridge to cool, and then you got you some nice applesauce, baby. You see that? Let me tell you. Oh yeah, I said. All right, y'all. That's how you make some fresh applesauce at home. Stay healthy, baby. There you have it. Nice fresh draft applesauce, baby. Made at home, heart healthy. Okay? Heart healthy, baby. There you go.